All right, time now for our daily update with KHOU energy expert Ed Hurst. And Ed, we need some help understanding some recent energy news. The Harris County Attorney's Office filed an amicus brief with the Texas Supreme Court opposing sovereign immunity for ERCOT. Can you translate this into something like English?
Certainly, there's a lawsuit pending in front of the state Supreme Court where ERCOT has claimed it's immune from litigation, immune from being sued. This is an old style doctrine from the times of the monarchy in England. It's called sovereign immunity. This is interesting because ERCOT, on the one hand, claims it's a private corporation and it's not subject to the Open Meetings Records Act. And now it's saying, well, we're really part of the government, and so you can't sue us. We're immune. There's no accountability, no responsibility for what we say and do. As I look at this, I've got to believe they're asking to move this case to Cancun because there is a lead pipe cinch that all of the justices were impacted by the power outage the week of February 14th. I mean, they all have a personal experience with this matter, and it'd be interesting to see how they wind up ruling.
All right, okay. Now, the national average for a gallon of gas is around $2.77 right now. Why are we seeing the rise? How long is this going to last?
I expect it to go through the summer at this rate. The price tipped over $70 a barrel yesterday after the attack on the Saudi oil facilities. But the real reason is we're not seeing an awful lot of return to drilling as we might have expected, or maybe just the pandemic recovery is ahead of the supply. In the Middle East, the rig count is down by 40% over this time last year. And those are the wells that produce a huge amount of really cheap oil, down almost 200, here in the U.S., the rig count's down almost 400. But these wells are much smaller, much more expensive to drill per barrel in terms of getting the reserves out. It's the Middle East, it's OPEC, it's a constrained supply in the face of an expanding recovery across the globe that's now pushed gasoline prices up.
All right, thank you so much, Ed Hurst. Thanks for breaking it down for us.